Hi, I am Dr. Hasib Hassan, consultant neurologist at Narayana Health in Rabindranath Tagore Hospital, Mukundapur and Narayana Super Specialty Hospital, Howrah. Today we are going to discuss about a very common problem which is known as migraine. I think all viewers might have heard about this term migraine, and most of us can refer it to some kind of problem of the brain where headache is the main problem. Yes, migraine is a disease where you can get recurrent attacks of headache, and usually this is the disease which can start at any age of the life, but again this is most commonly in second and third decade, that is around school age or maybe college age. These are the symptoms which commonly starts with. So, as we have discussed, that headache is the commonest symptom of this disease. So, how actually this disease present? So, in migraine, you can get a headache, which usually comes as episodes. So, you suddenly woke up in the morning, you are fine, in afternoon you started getting a terrible headache, and then by evening it went up. Then you are not able to look at light. You get very irritated, repelled with the light, and you are not able to be in noisy environment, and you suddenly start having nausea, vomiting, and this headache is typically what we call it a pulsating headache, where you get pulsation in the head. And then there might be vomiting, and usually with some kind of taking painkiller or taking rest, this headache goes. And these are the things which keep on coming at regular intervals. Some person it's like every few months, somebody it's almost daily. So this is how the migraine problem looks like. So when you have headache like this, the first thing it worries everybody that are you harboring some kind of serious neurological problem, and obviously the most feared problem in the neurology is brain tumor. But unlike brain tumor, migrainous headache are like very common. They are episodic and they are very long standing. Somebody is having headache for months together, somebody is having for headaches for years together. Whereas in tumors, headache is not the only symptom. So usually in tumor, we have other symptoms like inability to speak, inability to move limbs, some visual problem with or without headache. So once you have only headache coming like this episode for months together, we have to think of migraine, and we have to consult a neurologist to confirm the diagnosis. As a neurologist, we usually look at what problem you are having. We do certain kind of examination to look for reflexes of the eyes and other part of the body, and usually with that, listening to the history or story, we can confirm that this probably is migraine. In some patient we need to do brain scan to rule out other problem if required, and usually in migraine all the tests are going to be normal. We only do tests in certain patient to rule out other problem which can look like a migraine. Second thing we should come is to the treatment. So for migraine treatment, we have to understand that first we'll have to identify what is the trigger, what is causing migraine. So there are certain things which can cause migraine, just like if you have too much stress, that can cause migrainous headache. If you are sleeping less, if you are skipping your meals, maybe in extreme sunlight, extreme cold or wind blowing overhead can precipitate migraine. Certain food like chocolates, coffee, ice cream can precipitate migraine. And obviously some patient can have problem and trigger like strong smell can be there. And most of patients who are having migraine can identify this trigger. Somebody can tell their doctor, whenever I go to sunlight or then I can get, whenever I travel I get migraine, if I skip my meals I can get migraine. So most important is to identify the trigger and then control the trigger, avoid the trigger as much as possible. We give certain medicines which is taken for some duration based on the severity, maybe for 3 months, 6 months, a year, or in some patient it might be more than that, to control it. And if you have headache, we give medicine either which can be analgesic or some other medicine which will stop that headache to becoming very repulsive or very severe, and that's how we can control the disease. So with correct diagnosis we can take fear out of this kind of headache, and with correct treatment we can control the migraine, and in many patients we can cure it, but in some patients the medicine can be there for lifelong or maybe for few years. So migraine is a disease which can be controlled easily with certain medicine after we have diagnosed, and this is a disease which can be easily tackled, and we should be aware of that. Unfortunately in society there are a lot of negative information regarding migraine, that this cannot be treated, this cannot be controlled, we have to bear with it, and we have to be. It's not that. With modern medicine and modern treatment, in most of the patient with migraine we can give a headache free life for a very sustained period of time. Thank you.